Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, here we are again at another classic car show. This time we're at Newby Hall in North Yorkshire. So you know the score by now. We're just going to have a quick flamonge around. There's a lot of cars here today and a lot of good ones. So what I'm going to do this time, I'm just going around the ones that I really like. Show you the ones, why I like them, and explain to you why I like them. Because you probably think my taste is not very good. But anyway, let's have a flamonge around. So as you guys know, I'm a real big fan of this car. It's the Range Rover two-door. The classic Range Rover. This is the proper one. Not like the modern shite. Especially if it's got the 3.5 Rover in it. Not the diesel. Not interested in diesel. Because with this you've got the look and then you've got the sound. I've got the little love holes there. But it's cool. Good, honest. Let's see where it's all starting to come up. Sometimes I like to see that. Lovely colour. It's like a mustard. I'm sure there'll be a proper colour for it. You can put it down in the comments what it is. But they always go at the bottom there. They always go on the tailgates. But these are cool. The new ones are just shite. These ones are killer cool. And it's manual. Love it. And seats look really comfortable as well. There won't be any plastic shite under the bonnet. This is what I mean. And the computers and the new ones, honestly, they're just big piles of shit. So Jaguar Land Rover, if you're listening to this, you need to go back to basics. Think about your design, which you had it right here. Think about your reliability. Sort your problems out, because when someone's expecting to pay £175,000 for a Range Rover, they expect it to last 300,000 miles. You know? But they aren't. They're failing big time. Anyway, enough of my rant. There, that's a proper Range Rover. Right, next car. Right guys, check this two-door Bonnie and Clyde looking Rolls Royce. That's killer cool. So you've got the masking tape on. There's the Spirit of Existence. That's cool. Okay, the Mercedes 350 SL. I'm a big fan of these as well because they look cool. Nice interior. Looks like it's got a modern paint job on it. It does suit the car. It's metallic ice blue. That's cool. Very nice. The BMW 202 TIL. That's a cool BMW. You don't see many of these about. Again, that's cool. Right guys, check this Cortina 1600 GT Estate out. Now you don't see many of these. Really like the colour as well.
Yeah, no, I get it.
That's cool. Again, cool. Love it. So guys and girls, if you're thinking about retiring, or you've got plenty of money on you and you've got plenty of time on your hands and you're getting bored and you want to think, get yourself a classic car. Come to these shows. Absolutely fantastic. Especially on days like this. The weather has been absolutely awful past couple of shows. Same with the gigging as well. It's really spoiling the festivals, the weather. But today is absolutely beautiful. And the weather's cooled down as well, so it's really nice to have a flamonge around. So yeah, you guys are thinking, nah, well, I'm bored, I don't know what to do. Get yourself a classic car. You meet all sorts of nice people here. But yeah, get yourself a classic car. Right guys, another cool one, the 308 GTB Ferrari, the one Tom Selleck had in Magnum. Again, cool. That's cool, killer cool. Right guys, here's another cool looking car, the VW Carman Gear. Again, cool, in my opinion. It's a left hooker. '73. Cool. Right, we just turned this way. Right guys, this guy's going to fire this Porsche. Now this is another killer cool car.
What made you get it?
Because it's cool.
No water.
Sorry,
I've always
alright.
Yeah.
You get the 4
No, the turbo's
Killer cool.
Would you like a drink of water? Say thank you to the man.
Right guys, check this killer E-Type. Triple carb on it. Check that out. Absolutely immaculate. This is killer cool. Just love the way the hood's just dipped down like that. Very nice. Take that T-rail as well. Killer cool. Right guys, check the Lancia, the Lotus, sorry. Where's Tightlock? So yeah, I'm just picking the cars out that are quite rare and you don't see that many. And this is one of them. It's in mint condition. I should try to fit into that. Be like doing the limbo trying to get into it. Check this out guys, it's a Vauxhall Viva really, 2-door, and he stuffed a V8 in it. It's killer. Very cool. I've just spotted this Ford guys. I quite like this because it's quite original. It's be a 69 on G plate. It's just nice and clean. Just looks standard looking. Here's another killer cool car, Mustang, probably 67, 68. Black, colour to have. Killer cool. Right, the Vantage V12 guys, look how they shoehorned that in there. For me, this is one of the best sounding cars on the planet. And this is the one to have, the V12 manual. And if you're going to get one, guys, get them now, before these things get banned. There you go. Nice colour as well. Like a gunmetal grey. Again, killer cool. Listen to this, guys. Just give it a little tickle. That's nice. It's silky smooth in it. So there's your V12, guys. Right guys, if you've never been to Newby Hall, you want to get yourself here. There's a lot of cars. Price here today, absolutely fantastic. And a wide range of cars as well. So if you live down south, you need to come to beautiful North Yorkshire, come to Newby Hall, and it's a really, really big show. Really good. Fantastic.